Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Playwright Aston Cook has died. He was 61 years old. The cause of death has not yet been disclosed. Aston Cook is the creative force behind memorable plays such as Oliver at Large and Single Entry, and the writer of the popular satirical musical series called Jamaica. Also an accomplished businessman, Aston Cook acquired the Miss Jamaica World franchise last year. The recipient of 9 National Actor Boy Awards, including Outstanding Achievement for Theatre, E-Prime offers our condolences to the family of Aston Cook. Lifespan joins the many local companies to have launched their own dancehall rhythms with its project Lifespan Rhythm. Lifespan Rhythm creator and producer Junior Bloodline and artists TIFA are pleased that corporate Jamaica is supporting dancehall.
Something different. You understand? You bring back corporate along with dancehall, that kind of vibe. Normally, we want to go road just in the dancehall, etc. But you want to get a feel like nice people listen to music too.
It's always good when corporate Jamaica gets involved, and it's corporate Jamaica that is pushing the show and pushing these cultures. So a lot of the times when you don't have corporate Jamaica behind a lot of these shows and a lot of these events and projects, it can't happen. You know what I mean? So it's always a wonderful feeling that corporate Jamaica comes behind the culture.
The Lifespan Rhythm features other top acts like Bugle, I-Octane, Munga Honorable, and newcomer Iwater. Now, Real Friends ups the ante for season 2. The popular TV drama is finally returning, filled with all the intrigue involved in the life of 6 young adults who try to navigate life's dilemmas. Producer, writer, and director of Real Friends, Andre Winter, outlined what will be featured on the new season.
This time we get into more of the family, so you're going to meet all the parents, your favorite characters, their siblings. So exclusive for E-Prime, somebody dies this season. Yes.
Real Friends premieres this Saturday at 8:30 p.m. right here on TVJ. R. Kelly charged with aggravated criminal sexual abuse. Embattled R&B superstar R. Kelly was this morning charged in Cook County, Illinois, with 10 counts of aggravated criminal sexual assault. According to records, his first court date is listed as March 8. This indictment is on the heels of attorney Michael Avenatti announcing he had handed over to the state attorney's office a videotape that he said showed Kelly having sex with an underage girl. What is on the video mirrors some of the alleged acts for which Kelly was arrested in a child pornography case in 2002 when he was 35 and then acquitted 6 years later. R. Kelly has been accused of abuse, manipulation, and inappropriate encounters with girls and young women for more than 2 decades. Now, Kingston and St. Catherine, look out for the Cross Country Invasion Roadshow tomorrow. It features Styler G, Tommy Lee Sparta, D'Angel, and so much more. Also, join the family fun day at Dilton Technical High School in Linstead starting at 9 o'clock. Tune in to RJR 94 FM and Hits 92 FM for live broadcasts of the Cross Country Invasion festivities. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Look out for us in a town near you. Thank you for watching.